Yep, Scarlet and I are out here car camping. Last minute thing. Scarlet's hurt, so we couldn't really have her running around. So yeah, so we got some homemade hand sanitizer here. Basically, alcohol-soaked tissue, and there you go, instant fire. We're gonna get stuff set up here and film proper here in a minute. Brought some firewood with me. All my meal stuff. We got a bottle of scotch. I got some Doritos for snacks. I got steak and potatoes in there. We got a hopvenom, a Guinness, and a Hop Valley Citrus Mistress. There's my Scarlet. We got the hot tent set up, and I'm gonna pour myself a scotch because I think it's time now that we got everything set up. Yeah, we got out here late. Left with plenty of light, ran into a couple of gotchas, had to go back for the tent pole, and so yeah, got here right before sunset, got everything, got the tent set up and everything, and the fire started, and then yeah, it's dark city now. So little onion salt, little black pepper, a little more black pepper. Let's get some more taters in there too. Come on. There we go. Look at that. We got a nice Porterhouse tonight. Montreal steak salt. Never cook a steak without it. Okay. Set that puppy right there. Get those taters heated back up, and by the time they get done cooking, I think we'll be ready to eat. Enjoying some of our boneyard hopvenom. Bam! Stuff is brilliant. Steak is looking good. I think we could cut into this right now. I think this piece right here. You know what I want is an actual fork. We have no plate tonight, so we'll be eating off the grill. Surprise, surprise. No! Well, that's Scarlet's piece. Oh! That tater right there looks amazingly done. Oh, it's a wee bit hot. Excellent. Oh, wow. I'm gonna have to edit this down. It's just me sitting here in the dark going, Well, got everything cleaned up. We're just sitting here enjoying the fire, having some of this wonderful Trader Joe's scotch. I got all the wood prepped for the hot tent. It's pretty early. I think it's only like maybe 8 o'clock. So we'll probably chill out as long as we can out here by this fire. Pretty chilly. Luckily, we only have a very mild breeze. You might be able to see it from the fire, but yeah, it'd be nice if we were sheltered here, but it is what it is, as they say. But we're digging it. I got my Leatherman hoodie on, so it's pretty tough against the wind, and I got a t-shirt and a polyester sweatshirt underneath, so and a skull cap on. I got a toque toque. I got a toque for the Canadians. Wearing my toque. So, yeah. Just chilling, enjoying. Sorry it's so dark. It's kind of... we do have a full moon, kind of, so I'm going to see if I can do some... if it'll pick up some low light type stuff and we can see the moonlight. So we'll give that a try in a little bit. So my dad died last week. Kind of a bummer. We weren't super close later in life. When I was a kid, we were pretty close and it was pretty cool, but as he got older, we drifted apart. Just things happen. Kind of sucks. It's interesting though, because my mom died a couple years ago, so I am the official elder of our family now. It's kind of weird being the elder. There's no one in the family to ask questions of, about what happened in the past, other than what I remember. And it's kind of unfortunate in a way because our family wasn't super tight, like a lot of families are, they really stay in touch with all the extended relatives and stuff. We didn't have that so much. I mean, I tried connecting with my cousins, but it went nowhere, so I kind of gave up on that. It's kind of funny, his death kind of helped bring my siblings and I together, or all these deaths, all my parents' deaths have really brought us together, which I think is a really great thing. Hey, it's just the bag falling off the tree. It's okay. It's okay. I got a bag hanging on the pine tree over here, and it kind of schlepped off one side. And Scarlet's like, hey, look, there's nothing there. Look, see? Maximum light. Come here. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, Henry is fearless. So I'm really hoping some of that rubs off on Scarlet. Oh my goodness, Missy. Yeah, so as I was saying, the really good thing is that my siblings and I have really gotten a lot closer in these last couple of years, and it's kind of weird. I had like a really weird family growing up. I mean, we were there for each other when, if you needed something or anything, support, emotional, financial, whatever, but we weren't like super all up in each other's business all the time, Like, I was really close with my mom, closer than my dad. And we, basically I called her on, the days you're supposed to, like her birthday, Mother's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, and she called me once or twice a year, but it wasn't like some of the relationships I've seen, like with my wife and her family. I mean, they talk to each other every week. Granted, we are close by, but even that, I mean, she definitely calls her mom like every few days, kind of thing. And we didn't really have that kind of relationship, but so it was weird, we didn't have like a quote unquote normal family, which I don't even know what that entails, but like I said, we've gotten closer since these passings, and I feel blessed on that. It's been really cool. Even I feel closer even to like the non-related, non-blood relation folks, like my sister's husband and my stepbrother as well, who's always been cool. I just we just never really connected a lot. So with this, we've connected more, and I hope we continue to connect and do stuff, and you get to meet him. He's a fun guy. So So I don't know where I was going with all this stuff, but you know, as I tell everybody, you know, at the end of the videos, you know, love the ones you're with, love your loved ones, don't waste time. You know, you don't know what's going to happen. Make the most of every day, and it's hard to do sometimes. It's really hard to do, but you gotta give it a try. Yeah, hopefully I didn't bring you guys down at all. I didn't mean to. I don't even know why I brought it up, but I don't know. We'll have some more scotch, and then I'll think about it tomorrow and figure it out. There you can kind of see the moonlight on my car. Unfortunately, it's not bright enough to pick anything else up. Alright guys, it's like midnight pretty much, and we're in the tent. Scarlet's in her little sleeping bag. I'll try and get a close-up on that without the tripod. I don't even know. Hopefully this is coming in. You can see something. Scarlet and I are both rocking the original Thermarest mattresses, which are basically just a great insulator. And then I have a Thermalite X. I'll tell you, it's up there. It's like a, I don't know, it's the one for wide shoulders. But like a standard modern Thermarest. And then Scarlet also has her little cute little doggy sleeping bag. She is totally freaking out over the stove. She's like, why is it popping and hissing? It's okay. It's just a fire in a box. It's weird, but it works, right? Yeah. There's Scarlet in her little pet doggy sleeping bag. There's a Scarlet in there. Is there a Scarlet? She's a sleepyhead. Oh, let's go ahead. So, no thank you. Scarlet still struggling to get out of bed. Oh, Mizzy. Say hi for the camera? You say hi? What a good girl. What a good girl. She's like, is hi food? Is that food? Yep, could not find the coffee. So, we'll be having instant. Cold oil. Look at that. I thought that would be hotter. Oh yeah, coffee, coffee. Pepper. I need to get a separate thing of just salt, because all I have here is the onion salt. Which works. Hopefully the eggs aren't frozen. I left them in the car. We're going to find out if my little spork can handle cooking for sure today. So far, so good. Add a bit of pepper. If you didn't know, I like pepper. If you know, you know. And if you don't, I'll lend you some of my pepper. Taters cook. Op success. Some Tabasco would have been good. In all honesty, though, I'm just glad that the potatoes are cooked. There's nothing worse than a raw potato. All right, so I'm just going to finish up breakfast, pack up. We're going to head out. So Shiny Stick Explorers Club saying peace out. Loved your loved ones, as we said earlier. Especially your furry ones. Be kind to everyone. Remember, everybody's dealing with something. I don't think there's a single person on the planet that's okay. You know, everybody's got something going on in their life, especially in today's world. So, the begging. So yes, we'll catch you next time. Get out there, enjoy the outdoors. It's a lot of fun, trust me. Don't trust me. Find out for yourself. Know what's up with that? A belt. My paper. I'll pick it up. Leave no trace. You can see all we left is a few bit of wood shavings. Quite a bit of frost buildup on my car. Scarlet, what are you doing? Get out of the road.